Jamaicans, stay safe. We in the diaspora are praying for our country, our island Jamaica, one of the best islands in the world. Beautiful. And Melissa is not going to destroy us at all. We can come back. Hello everyone, I'm Donna. Welcome to my channel. Please remember to stay safe in this hurricane that's called Melissa. Hurricane Melissa is a very dangerous storm. Do not take it lightly. Prepare yourself. Stay safe. Remember, we have not gotten over burial. So a few things that you need to do is avoid traveling and stay indoors during the storm. Do not attempt to drive or walk through floodwaters. They can be very deceptive and dangerous. Remember animals. Bring your animals into safety positions. Keep away from windows and doors and seek shelter in an interior room or hallway. Unplug electronics to prevent power surges. Stay tuned to your local news network for updates and evacuation orders. Remember, your safety is top priority. Heed these warnings and let us ride out Hurricane Melissa together. Heavy. What is the water something right now? Listen to how anxious and frightened I was last year when Barry came. Come. It is here now. Yes, Lord. It is here now. Whoa, look over there, so look. Oh, come in. It's going now. Pull it in. Woo, it's here now. God, cover us, Lord. Cover us. There were a lot of damages from burial last year, and we're just praying that Melissa return back to where she's coming from. You can see that we are still in the process of clearing up all the rubbles and the trees that fell down. So we don't want that to happen this year. So let us pray, let us work together, and hopefully, it will turn back and we'll have just rain and not too much damage. So keep safe.